Well, listen up, you Americans. Grab your pencils and grab your pens. It's time to join the fight for Avastin. Time to remind them in Washington that a dangerous medical decision should be left to a patient or physician, not some medical politician. May or may not be listening. All we know might be our fishing. Tell this story and to tell it right, to tell of our women in a hell of a fight. Mothers, sisters, daughters too, Americans just like me and you. 17,500 of them, cancer in their breast. I tell you what, son, boy, dad, pops, Mr. President, it's a hell of a test. The other side of this tale, and it's sad to say, is all about money and the FDA. So-called experts have paved the way to price out the drug that once saved the day. That's Avastin we're talking about here. You just call him Mr. A. That's what I do. Okay. You see, the FDA one time did play a song that said this drug's okay, and accordingly, insurance paid to keep our women folk from the grave. And while some did die, many stayed to see their children laugh and play, and to feel the breeze and smell the hay. Then shot back the old FDA. Seems they changed their minds, changed their tune, till a lot of folks wasn't too pretty. This time they said with their cocked head that our women would be better dead than to take these dangerous injections of the once approved of Avastin. Said it was too risky all of a sudden. Said it was kind of dangerous, like having stage 4 breast cancers and to jump through hell without a parachute. See, danger comes and danger goes, but I'll wager that nobody knows it better than those good souls with cancer in their breast and bones. And see, for thousands of these suffering women, that drug's the thing that keeps them living. Government approval goes away, the old insurance companies won't have to pay. It's the patient, see, left to foot the bill. 88 grand going in the till, and that's once a year. For a working family, prices like that are bound to kill. I'll wager if it didn't cost a penny, the old FDA wouldn't object any about giving our women what they needed, about treating them like human beings. Well, I guess if you got 100 grand to burn, you just call the doctor and you take your turn. But if you don't, well, you're out of luck. You just gotta sit there wait to get run over by the old government truck. FDA stamped on your forehead, some kind of piece of meat or something. So really, folks, what we're asking is to join our fight and throw your hat in. They need your help. They need Avastin. It's not a joke and the glass is cracking. The old government doesn't seem to care. $1 million here and $1 billion there, wasting money like it wasn't theirs. Well, these poor women sit counting their hairs. Not me. I get tired and sick. Reason replaced with politics. So please, call your public servant. Make some noise till you're sure they heard it. Remind them that they work for you. Tell them one day they just might get cancer too.